So today's the day that we're getting a new car. I'm so excited. I can't tell you what it is yet, but you keep watching this video and you will see. So we're gonna miss this car.
I'm gonna miss it so much.
It is. It's done its job.
Yep.
It's been a good little ride around.
Took it from me today.
Get me. Had fun. As we said, we had it for that over a year now. So it's been a good time. Been a enjoyable time.
Change it from manual to an automatic.
There you go, that's a clue. It's gonna be an automatic.
Oh, the benefits.
Oh, she's giving it away and she didn't realise. But yeah, you can get some clues. But that's it. That's who you get.
Doesn't say what I'm getting though.
No, it doesn't. Okay, it's time to reveal where we're going. And boom! Mercedes. We're here. How are you feeling?
Feeling excited, nervous at the same time.
It's the last time you're gonna see this car.
Yeah.
You better say your goodbyes.
We did get it all nice and clean, but the weather kind of got dirty again.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's gonna be sad seeing it go.
Let's just see that last pose of the car. Oh no. A little car's going. But yeah, we're going in the showroom now, so I'll speak to you soon. You see that there? I get her a car, she makes me a coffee. Is that mine, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, you to the best.
I ain't drinking it.
Get me. Thank you. That's true love there, huh? All the choices and she chose the right one.
Cappuccino?
You done now.
How did I know?
Good
thing it went
You're the
Americano.
wifey. That's how you get in a new car, baby, because you know the right coffees to choose. No, joke. And it's not because of that, it's because we've been together for so long. Why you nervous, baby?
Heart pumping.
Why?
Because it's a big car.
Yeah, but baby, you gotta get used to it. I told her she gotta get used to it. This is what she did to me when I first tried to get her the car. Not long. About 5 minutes now. So, see you in the car, she don't pass out and I'm driving. So, it's finalized. My baby's there. I'm here. Time to see what we got. Doing. Oh my God. Baby. See how excited she is.
I can't even scream.
You got a new car. What? Living life.
Look how big it is to me.
I know, it makes her look small and she's not even that small. This is a beast. I can't wait to see our cars together now. Oh, we got the two big ones. Yeah, I'm excited with this. She's happy. I'm so happy. We did it. Let's see what we got. Look, so she got heated seats, all the electric seats, controls, everything I got. I'm jealous. Oh yeah.
Oh my God. And look.
Luxury,
And
look
here
at that.
too.
Look at that. But yeah, we'll make a video in this car. We have to. Look at that. Oh, look at that. See
You're
it?
getting it.
Let's see it. Wow. She just fits in.
God.
Fits in. We gotta clear out the old car. Trading A for C's.
We've got to take out
That's how we
one
do it.
phone holder.
Small for biggies. But yeah, last time we're seeing this one. I gotta try and remember you in another car now.
Yeah. A lot of people.
This car is not us no more.
Oh,
there's our new one. How much of a difference it is. Yeah. But yeah, baby. Let's do this. Let's do this. If you're dancing, let's happy dance. Did it. We might have to add a beat on this. To do a TikTok. But yeah. We'll see you when we hit the roads. Beast. Our car just got robbed, it was all a joke, I didn't really get one. I'm kidding. No, we did, it's just getting topped up with fuel. We haven't been robbed, it really is our car. The old one and the new one.
You might walk out someone's parked a black A-Class, forget and try and open it. Going like that with the door.
Yeah, my baby. She's in it. It's real for real. For real, for real. But yeah.
Oh my god, I need to adjust my seat.
We'll see you when we're on the road. Oh, she's driving. Whoa. Kids. How do you feel?
I feel a bit better now. The nervous has gone. I just got to practice parking it.
She feels nervous. She ain't nervous. Look at this. Look at it. Whoa. Yeah. Drop down. But yeah, we're just having a bit of fun still. So see you soon.
Dean's in the passenger seat now.
I had to take it over. I just had to let a little go. Have a little go. That's what I had to do. But yeah, wow, this car is nice. It ain't got the pops and bangs like mine, because obviously, but it's power-wise, styling. Oh, even try. Listen to this. But yeah, no, we love this car. This car's gonna be nice. I'm gonna take this on some long journeys though, because yeah, we got the new car. We got the powerful supercar and we got the journey car now. This is amazing. We're gonna have to do a video on this car as well, proper full-length video. This was just showing you that we was getting a new car today. So
yeah.
The proper videos on this car will show you. Yeah.
It suits you.
Thank you. And I also want to get my two cars, or this car and the E63S together, so we can show them off a little bit. So it'll be like, yeah, but this car looks like a boss car. That's what I can say. My woman looking like a boss. But yeah, anyway, back to the video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're still super excited about getting this new car, the wonderful C200. As I said earlier, I'm gonna do a review video about this car just to show you properly this car, like I did with the E63S. But as I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button to stay notified for the next video. And take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.